The end of the world. Have you heard? We are living in an age where the stars still shine brilliantly. Galaxies glow magnificently, and nebulae continue to give birth to countless young stars. We should feel fortunate to exist in this era, on our blue planet Earth. In essence, every star and planet will one day fade away. According to scientists, in about 1 billion years, the oxygen on Earth will run out, and life will gradually disappear, leaving behind only a barren, rocky planet. Around 4.5 billion years from now, the Sun will expand into a red giant, engulfing Mercury, Venus, and even Earth. Nothing lasts forever. This raises an important question. Will the universe itself ever come to an end? And if it does, how will it happen? Will everything be destroyed in a terrifying explosion? Or will the universe collapse back into a single point before starting anew? Let us explore these possibilities together. Most scientists believe that the universe began with a Big Bang. According to this theory, the universe was born from an extremely small and dense point about 13.8 billion years ago. It began expanding rapidly. Matter spread out, temperatures dropped, and fundamental particles like neutrons and electrons were formed. These particles gathered to create nebulae, galaxies, galaxy clusters, and eventually stars and orbiting planets. This is how the universe we see today came into existence. For most of human history, observers of the sky believed that the universe was static and eternal. But in 1929, Edwin Hubble announced a groundbreaking discovery based on observations of key variable stars in distant galaxies. He concluded that the universe is expanding. The light from galaxies is being stretched, their wavelengths pulled toward the red end of the spectrum. And contrary to earlier assumptions, the expansion is not slowing down. It is accelerating, driven by a mysterious force known as dark energy. True to its name. We know very little about this strange force, or why it pushes everything farther apart, yet it plays a crucial role in determining the universe's fate. So what will ultimately happen? Will the universe expand forever, or will it reach an end? And if it does end, what will that ending look like? Based on current models, scientists believe the universe will eventually come to an end. Though you don't need to fear, it won't happen anytime soon. It may be trillions of years from now, when the era of stars comes to an end. At that time, new stars will no longer form, and even the longest living stars will die. Everything will gradually cool, decay, and break apart into elementary particles, quarks, leptons, and other subatomic particles. The universe will sink into eternal darkness. There are 3 major hypotheses about how the universe might end. 1. The Big Freeze. Heat death. This scenario is considered the most likely. The universe continues to expand, becoming larger, colder, and emptier. Eventually, it approaches absolute zero, the lowest possible temperature at 273 grados, where all particles lose their energy in motion. If you could fast forward the sky over billions of years, you would see stars slowly redden and fade as their light stretches toward the red end of the spectrum. Over time, fewer and fewer stars will be visible. In the next few trillion years, gases and dust will become too sparse to form new stars. Existing ones will burn out about 100 trillion years from now. Only white dwarfs, neutron stars, and black holes will remain, and even these will cool and dim. White dwarfs will become invisible black dwarfs. Some neutron stars will collapse into black holes. Geysers. Only black holes remain. But even black holes don't last forever. As Stephen Hawking predicted, They slowly evaporate through Hawking radiation. After countless years, when the last black hole evaporates, the universe will enter its final era. The era of darkness, where matter decays into scattered subatomic particles. Eventually, the universe reaches total thermodynamic equilibrium. Absolute zero. No movement, no energy, no events. Nothing more happens. 2. The Big Rip. A more dramatic scenario is the Big Rip. In this model, the expansion of the universe accelerates exponentially until it becomes so extreme that galaxies, stars, planets, and even atoms are torn apart. It's like stretching a rubber band until it snaps. For this to occur, dark energy would need to increase over time, a type of phantom energy. If this model were correct, the universe might have only 22 billion years left. Fortunately, most scientists consider this scenario unlikely due to unrealistic parameters. 3. The Big Crunch, the opposite of the Big Bang. If the density of matter in the universe is high enough, gravity could eventually overpower expansion and pull everything back together. Galaxies would merge, stars would collide, and temperatures would rise. In the final moments, radiation would become so intense that atoms break apart. Eventually, everything collapses into an extremely hot, dense point, a singularity, possibly setting the stage for a new Big Bang and a new universe. All these scenarios revolve around one great mystery: dark energy, an invisible force that makes up 70% of the universe, yet cannot be directly observed. The fate of the universe depends on whether we can understand it. If dark energy remains constant, the universe will expand forever and die in a big freeze. If it increases over time, everything will be torn apart in a big rip. If it weakens or behaves differently than we expect, the universe might collapse in a big crunch. Whichever fate the universe meets, one truth remains. It reminds us of our own fragility and the short time we have in this brief existence, living meaningfully, cherishing each moment, loving others, and caring for our planet becomes more precious than ever. The vastness and fragility of the universe make every second of our lives infinitely valuable. For in the endless darkness, we are the small but radiant lights. Thank you for watching today's video. Wishing you moments of peace and inspiration. Goodbye, and see you next time.